Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is the
Dr. Doreen is an expert in autism.
Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet.
Dr. Doreen Grand-Pichet is a visionary in the field of autism. Now you can ask her questions on Ask Dr. Doreen.
Where do we find out about the therapy that Shannon used? I use CBD oil and it helps me a lot. I don't do RX medicines. They're a different parent than before. They went on to say that their insurance denied ABA or anything for autism, and they are the ones who were told that speech therapy, but then they didn't pay for it. So I'm a little horrified by that. But do you want to tell them about where you'd find it's cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT instead of CBD, which is the other thing.
So you can, psychologists have different areas of specialty. Some psychologists are behavioral psychologists, others are family systems, some are psychodynamic and they follow Freud theory. There's lots of different types of psychologists. You can find a psychologist by asking your health insurance for referrals or a list of psychologists on their website. And then each of those psychologists will generally have a bio that says my area of specialty or the way I practice is blah, blah, blah. And so you're looking for CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. It's similar to behavior therapy, but it is a little different in the sense that they give you exercises and activities that that require you to practice and in your mind, and they change the way you think about certain things that are happening to you. And it's extremely effective. I do want to tell everyone, and I appreciate a lot of people like Shannon don't want to try medication, and that's perfectly, absolutely fine. And CBT is very effective on its own. Medications are also effective on their own. The combination of the two has always been shown to be the most effective when one or the other doesn't work. Now, CBD oil is also something that a lot of people use for anxiety and for panic attacks and even for pain. And I don't know a lot about that. I don't have experience with that, or I don't have a lot of, I think it's mainly because it's too soon. But it certainly has been proven to be effective for a lot of people. So yes, absolutely. I mean, as I said, Shannon, we all have to find what helps us.
I want to shout out, we had somebody wrote in and said, hi, Doreen, I love your passion and your company. You've been so inspirational. And they later went on to write that they are a proud mama of a card employee, and I don't know if you can see who they said it is, somebody that I adore.
Oh,
and
that's awesome.
Somebody that I adore your daughter so much that I'm the one who had Joe Mantegna do a personal message to her, Doreen.
That's amazing.
When Joe Mantegna was on the show, and we always have a meet and greet whenever we have a celebrity on the show when we weren't in COVID, and people could come and say hello. And Ashley, the wonderful Ashley, she was in a meeting and she wanted to meet Joe Mantegna in the worst way. And I was going to the opening of a show that night that Joe Mantegna was at. And I was like, could you just do a shout out to Ashley? And he's such a good sport. He did a whole thing about Ashley, where were you? And it was hilarious. So I hope that mom has seen that.
I also want to say I love Ashley as well. She's an incredible person. Thank you. Thank you, first of all, for your kind words, but thank you for giving us such a capable and wonderful, kind and incredible person to manage all of our, for many years, Shannon, she managed the training for all of our
OMs. Oh, we lost Dr. Grand-Pichet. Or we lost me. I'm not sure which one. She's frozen. I hope you guys can still see me. I'm going to keep talking. Hopefully we'll get Dr. Grand-Pichet back. Hopefully, maybe it's better if it's her that you have instead of me. I don't know. Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now.
To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.